Three consecutive numbers are in such a way that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 3, 4 and 5 respectively, their sum becomes 158. Find the numbers. The three consecutive numbers are in such a way that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 3, 4 and 5 respectively, their sum becomes 158. Find the numbers. Solution will be let the first number equal to x. Second number will be x plus 1 since they are consecutive. Third number will be x plus 1 plus 1. So according to the relation by the question, three into x plus 4 into x plus 1 plus 5 into x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 158. This is the first number, this is the second number, this is the third number. We have to multiply them by 3, 4 and 5 respectively, and their sum will be equal to 158. So now we'll handle this equation. It is 3x plus 4x plus 4 plus 5x plus 5 into 1 is 1, 5 plus 5 into 1 is 5. It is equal to 158. 3x plus 4x plus 5x, it is 12x plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 is 14. Constants will be 14, which is equal to 158. Now 12x equal to 158 minus 14, which gives 12x equal to 144. X will be equal to 144 over 12, which is 12. Value of x is 12. First number will be $12. Second number will be x plus 1, that means 12 plus 1, which is 12 plus 1, which is 13. Third number will be x plus 1 plus 1, that is 12 plus 1 plus 1 is 14. So these are the three numbers. It is the answer.